Hey everyone, if you're seeing the "sorry, we couldn't complete your request" error on Instagram, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can cause this error. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and turn it off to refresh your connection. Next, restart the Instagram app and your phone. Close Instagram completely, restart your device, and then try logging in again. If the issue continues, clear Instagram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This helps remove temporary data that might be causing the problem. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. Using an outdated version can sometimes cause login errors. Try logging in from a different device or browser. If you can access your account on another device, the issue might be with your phone or app settings. If none of these work, wait for a while and try again later. Instagram might be experiencing temporary server issue. You can check a site like Down Detector to see if others are facing the same problem. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and follow for more Instagram fixes. See you in the next one.